So the cat's out of the bag. We're actually going to release this video after we tell our parents. Hey guys, Danny from the Young Family Homestead. We're just off to the doctor's. Megan and I are just off to the doctor's now. I kind of feel like this is something we should probably vlog, so I don't think she knows that I'm vlogging it, but stay tuned, got some news. Alright, so we're driving in the car to the doctor's. What could we be going to the doctor's for? Megan, do you have any idea? I know, but you can give hints. You gotta keep people intrigued.
I gotta get a scan.
Gotta get a scan. She may have a broken toe. She may not. How have you been feeling, Megan?
Yeah, not bad. I'm just tired.
Just tired. It's hard work having a broken toe. Do we take this exit?
I have a broken toe.
She doesn't have a broken toe. So we were just driving to the doctor's and I was thinking, I'm not even sure if I'm allowed in, and I'm pretty sure we're going to have to wear masks. Is that right?
Yeah, we're gonna wear masks.
It's a thing at the moment, we've got to wear masks.
Yeah, 100%.
Alright, well, you're going to have to direct me where to go now, okay? Okay, so here we are in the ultrasound room for Megan's broken toe. I'll try not to. Do that one right there.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe. Camera shot.
Yeah. So everything went well.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're filming that when we started filming this. We started filming it before we'd even told anybody that Megan's pregnant. So.
So
So
the
we're
cat's
not-
out of the bag.
So the cat's out of the bag. We're actually going to release this video after we tell our parents, because that would be a bit, that wouldn't be cool if we told the world before mum and dad. I think that'd be a bit upsetting. You reckon?
Yeah. Especially your parents.
Yeah, especially my parents. Yeah. This is just a short little vlog, just to tell everybody what's going on. That's what's going on.
A baby.
Baby's going on. Megan, how far along are we?
About 12, almost 13 weeks.
13 weeks, yeah. So still pretty early stages, but the doctor and their signs are that everything's going well,
Yep.
and we can just keep on trucking.
Woohoo.
Yeah, see you in the next one.